we're gonna get cute. Are you ready? Are you sure you're ready? Are you ready to be sure you're ready? Gorgeous Nesses, how are you guys doing today? It's your girl at a Nix on the beat. So today we are starting from scratch. First thing that I need to do is fix this disaster. This hair is the same hair I had in my last video. Is Valbest hair. I got their premium 16 inches, yeah, body wave, and then a closure. I'm using my got to be ultra glued styling gel, and I'll be finishing that off with the got to be blasting freeze spray. So we're going to leave that to dry a little bit. I feel like I'm going to have to remove that background. I don't know, I just feel like I just want to use white today. I prefer this. Anyway, so I'm going to let the glue dry a bit. There's a fan right here, so if, as I'm spinning like this, don't be afraid. So I'm spraying the got to be hair gel, literally drenching it because I don't want it to come off again. They say this thing will last you for 1 week. I don't know who is lying to anybody. Let's hold you down. I'm the one gonna hold you down. I'm the one's gonna hold you down. So I would be going in with my supposed to be men's swagger cap. This thing. I'll be using that to scarf the hair. Looking like Sister Agnes. I've just been feeling a bit friendless of late. I'm not even worried that I don't have that many friends, because since I was young, friends have been hurting me. Let me tell you, my first best friend was in primary 4. I grew up in a home where I wasn't allowed to go out, so I didn't know how to make friends. Me finding somebody that, oh wow, she's a human being and she wants to talk to me, I was so hyped. So we called each other best friends. We used to hold our hands. If I was alone, they'd be like, where's your friend? Long story short, there was this guy. He liked me, and he was the finest boy in the set. I was a new girl. He was mesmerized by my cuteness. Like, who is Saint? That's how one of the popular girls now has had a crush on him since she was in kindergarten or something. That's how she turned everybody in the set against me. That really upset me, because I didn't have friends to begin with, and then I didn't know why nobody else in the set was talking to me. I'll come to class, I'll try to sit down, they'll move my seat from under me, I'll fall on the ground, everybody will be laughing. I'll obviously laugh at myself because I can't let you have the last laugh. So that's how my friend Fumi started ignoring me. But she didn't do it at once. She did it in a way that, I have to quickly go to the toilet. And normally we used to hold hands to go to the toilet. I wait for her, she wait for me. She said, no, don't come, don't worry. My poo is smelling. And she will run away. So assembly time, we're all lining up. And then my teacher came to me. I was like, because I was obviously the shortest, so I used to line up in the front. And my teacher now came to me and be like, why are you not lining up with your mates? I was like, oh, I am. And I looked back. All the girls had moved to the other side, so it looked like I was the only one standing out of the line. Children. I stood in the boys' line and they were all just gisting with me. We're all laughing. So the girls even got angrier. The next assembly day, I even came early. So when you come early in the assembly, you're allowed to sit down before the assembly starts. So normally it was me and my friend who sit down in the corner. So I approached her. I was like, oh hey, do you want to sit down with me? She was like, no. And then she now went to go and sit down with the popular girls. It made me so sad, but then after a while, it was so funny how the dynamics changed, because I was the one talking to the popular guys, and there were girls that also liked some of the guys, so they'll not come and meet me. I'll be like, can you Rita that like him? Or they'll come and meet me so they can be near the guy that they liked or something like that. So fun fact, I now became the popular girl, and those other girls now became Raz because they weren't talking to anybody, so nobody could use them. There are different types of friends that I've come across in my lifetime. You guys should share your own in the comment box below. So it's not only me that is talking about it. Those two-faced friends, they are the worst type of friends. Like, they will say something, oh, you look so pretty. They'll now go to their friend in the club, that tarantula looking as baboon just walked in. Like, well, you said I look pretty. Those type of people, you need to cut them off instanta. They cannot be in your life. Those are the people that will tell you that, oh my gosh, don't worry, I'll put in a good word with you with my boss. And next thing you know, they will tell you they can't hire you because you are not their company fit. Don't know that your friend has got to go and tell them that you have brain touch, that whenever you call, they call you for meeting, that you start doing all this, he's a lie, I'm not coming for meeting, or you start running mad or something like that. So obviously they will not hire you, because who wants he's a man to be working in their office? The users. They have your good friends, like they would be the best of friends. A lot of celebrities have this kind of friends. I'm not saying I'm a celebrity, I'm just saying that I've come across kind of friendship in my lifetime. They don't intend to use you, they just need to use you. Oh, if I stay friends with this girl can pay my child's school fees when I need it. You're not supposed to have that kind of mentality in a friendship, are you? No, it's a friendship, it's a two-way street. You can't go to them because you don't need them, they need you. If I'm helping you, if I'm giving you money to pay your child's school fees, my dear, if I want you to run from Lekki to Abulegba, you should be ready. You should be ready. Go and get your Nikes and run that race. Type of friends that they don't see you, you don't see them, you don't gist all the time. Once in a while, maybe once in 2 months, once in 1 month. But when you hit them up, hey, it's too real. All the gist from 2 months, they will pour it on you, to pour it on them. You'll be drenching in your gists. I love those kind of friendships because we are busy, we are working. I don't have to hit you up 247, 365. Some people, if you don't talk to them for 1 day, they'll start catching feelings. So you have found a new friend. Like, can you grow up? Can you get something to keep you busy? Can you stop having time to check your phone to see if I texted you? All those friends that are always coming to come and gossip. Like, that's all they know how to do. Have you heard that? They will just be gisting, tell you the story of somebody. They say, oh, do you know that my best friend got pregnant and aborted it? And like, she's your best friend. You're not supposed to be telling me those kind of things. Don't tell anybody I told you. If you tell anybody I told you, I know it's from you. Boo! You told Mary, and you told Jackass stores, and you told Bala stores. How can you not come and meet me and say it's me? It was not me. Trust me. Me was not the one that told anybody. Another type of friendship are the friends that they are only your friend because they just need the company. Oh, those are the worst type of friendship. They will hit you up and be like, oh, hey, boo, it's been so long, I miss you. Do you want to come over? You now come over, you now notice that they've taken light. There's no television, there's nothing. You're just there to occupy space. As soon as NEPA does pee, oh, my mom says she's coming home. I don't know if you can start leaving now. Bitch, yeah, your life is a laughing stock to me right now. Another type of friend that I've come across in this life are all those people that they just want to be your friend because they want to say, ah, that's my friend. And we have that kind of friendship, especially relationships like boyfriend and girlfriend relationships. You do come across stuff like that when your boyfriend is only with you because he wants to parade you, or because your bum is big and he wants to be like, yes, my girlfriend has big bum. You know those kind of people now. We also have those kind of friends. This one is popular in the male species, that they will be claiming that they touched you, or they slept with you, or they've done something with you, when it's all a lie. How dare you? Those ones are the most despicable of them all. And when you now confront them and be like, oh, I heard that you told this person that you had sexual relations with me, they are the first to deny it. Like, what? Me? I would never say that. Those friends that only use you for Uber money, like, they only use you for Uber. They'll say, can you follow me? Before you know it, can you order Uber? When it's not time to pay you back, you'll be waiting till 1981. You have 3 children, get married. Your children will get married. You're still waiting for that $60 for that Uber. And they will now have the audacity to ask you for another Uber again. They'll say, oh, we're going out. Can you just? No, I would never just anything with you. People that are only your friends for favors. Hey, can you do me a favor? That's the beginning of check their WhatsApp chats. Everything they say is, can you do me a favor? Then you need to run away from them, please. And it's also good to keep good friends, to know your friends, so that you can know who to share your good news with. Because some people are only your friends to pray against your success. If you don't know, all those friends that they will not support you in public. Who has ever come across those kind of friends? They'll not come behind your back and be like, I actually supported what you said. God punish you. Those kind of friends, they are the most painful ones, to be honest. They will tell you behind your back, don't worry, I will support you. Me too, I'm angry. You will now go and just, it's only you that will not be angry. Everybody will not be insulting you, calling you a mad person. Well, this hair is nice, except the fact that the closure didn't curl as well as I wanted it to. But I think that it could be the product that I'm not using. To be honest, sometimes I feel like I would love to have at least a few friends that I can call up and gist with, a few friends that I can talk to, like we'll have some things in common. A few friends, sometimes when I'm lonely, when I need help, let's say I happen to be broke at that time and I need someone to quickly borrow money from. It's sad. But at the end of the day, everything just makes me stronger. It just makes me know that it's only one person that came out when you were coming out of your mom's hoo-ha. The truth of the matter is that when you focus on making God your friend, that every other person will want to be your friend. And then it just dawned on me, like, it's true. Like, when you focus on only God, like reading your Bible, trying to make God your friend, the enemy will send anything and everything to you to make you not want that. So he will send the friends you want, obviously with ulterior motives now. But at least he will send them. God will also send the friends that you need, the people that would help you, the people that you've been praying for. God will send that too. So you have battalion of friends. I literally just learned this curling technique yesterday because I did hair for a friend who was doing work on a model. So that's how I learned that to curl with straightener, you have to make sure it's tilted so the curls can go like this. See how God works. I'm probably not even that good of a friend because I'm not the kind of friend that check up on you for like 1 week, 2 weeks. I won't, because I just feel like you don't need to check up on me. I'm probably just watching Netflix and chilling, to be honest. Anyways, so that is the end of my get ready with me. I believe that there are a lot of people that would be going through stuff like this, going through friendship, but I just want to advise you that just understanding who they are and knowing what their secret agendas are, and you'll be all right. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this love with your friends, your families, your enemies, and everybody in this world. Adios, amigos. Catch you later. Peace.